Today, we're looking at McAfee Total Protection. 5 devices, 1-year subscription currently available for just $13, down from a crazy $119. That's an 88% discount on one of the most trusted security brands in the world, with 35 plus years of experience protecting millions of users globally. So let's break down what you actually get, who this is for, and why this deal is selling fast. McAfee Total Protection is not just antivirus. It's an all-in-one digital security suite that protects your devices, your online privacy, and even your identity all in real time. And the best part? You can use it on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Up to 5 devices at the same time. Let's start with the core protection. You get AI-powered antivirus which actively detects and removes viruses, malware, spyware, and zero-day threats. It runs quietly in the background without slowing down your system. There's also a built-in firewall which blocks unauthorized access to your network. Plus web protection that warns you before you click on fake websites, dangerous downloads, phishing links, and yes, it even includes ransomware protection so your files stay safe. One feature people really love is the McAfee Protection Score. It gives you a real-time safety score based on how secure your setup actually is. If something's weak, McAfee doesn't just warn you, it tells you exactly how to fix it. No tech knowledge needed. Now here's where McAfee goes beyond basic antivirus. You get a secure VPN to protect your internet connection, a password manager to store all your logins safely, and identity monitoring. McAfee actively scans the dark web and alerts you if your email passwords or personal data show up in risky places. There's also AI-powered text scam detection, which helps protect you from scam messages and fraud attempts. This is huge, especially in 2026. Here's a pro tip most people miss. These McAfee codes are stackable. That means you can increase device coverage or extend the subscription length. For example, up to 25 devices for 1 year or multiple years for fewer devices. Each customer can redeem up to 5 codes. And yes, this works for both new and existing McAfee users. Real user feedback. This deal has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, with verified buyers saying it doesn't slow down their computers. The VPN works well, and activation is quick and hassle-free. Many users even install it on family devices without any issues. So, if you want reliable antivirus, built-in VPN identity and password protection, and coverage for 5 devices, all for just $13. This McAfee Total Protection deal is honestly a no-brainer. 500 plus already sold, and prices like this don't last long. Grab the deal from the link below before it's gone. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.